Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do this beautiful eye makeup look, and in this time I use the analog combination. So if you want to see all the details about this combination, just keep on watching. See you at the end. Bye. In the analog combination, you combine different colors that are one after the other. In this tutorial, you will see how I combine the pink with the purple, with the blue, and finally the green. I hope that you like this one. First, I'm going to apply P. Louise base all over the eye area that I will be working with. And using the P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute that base all over the eye. I'm going to apply a little bit more of the P. Louise base. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to link that video here, that tutorial here, somewhere in the screen. And also I'm going to add the link down in the description box. I'm going to use this white color. This one is White Lies in my brow bone. And I am using this brush because it is a medium size and it's really fluffy, soft. Now I'm going to add Sweet Tooth. This one is a pinkish color and I'm going to add this really softly. And I am using a Sigma E25 tool. And because it is fluffy, it can apply the color softly, almost transparent. Now using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, A14, and the color Living for Lavender, I'm going to apply this light violet color in the transition area. I'm not going all the way to the inner part. I'm going to stop there and basically blend that color with the previous color. Going back to my brush with pink and just blend one color with the other so you don't see where one color ends and where the other starts. Then I'm going to use Pacific Dreams. This is a beautiful bluish color. And I'm going to bring this one a little bit more into the inner part of the eye. Basically blending with the previous color. Returning to the purplish color. So we don't lose any of the color. We want to see all of them, but they need to be blended. But if you look closer, you will be able to see every single color. I am applying all these colors, the purple one, the blue, with an ABH A14 brush. Now I'm going to add Labyrinth, and this one is a green color, and this one will be my last transition color. You know what? I forget to add my bandage. I'm going to add it now. so that area will be defined. You can clean that after. It's just that it's easier if you have the bandage from the beginning. I'm going to bring this one a little bit to the inner part of the eye, but really soft application, and blending upward. Circular upward movement. We already discussed how to blend in a different tutorial, so I'm going to leave that tutorial also here somewhere in the screen and also in the description box. I'm going back with the Pacific Rims and just softly apply that blue so we don't miss or we don't lose that color. Really softly. Then leaving for lavender. And finally the pink one, which is Sweet Tooth. Now that I think that the transition is good enough, we are going to clean the eyelid area using the Sigma L06 and my Garnier cleansing water. I like to use a cotton swab just to facilitate the cleaning process and also drying that area at the same time. Now I'm going to add more P. Louis base. And using the P. Louis brush, I'm going to distribute that base all over that area that I just cleaned. I like to add a little bit more of P. Louis base to the back of my hand. And using an L06, just take a little bit of that and then define that area in a precise way. And using the Sigma L06, I'm going to use a little bit more of the green and just define even more that transition in between the P. Louis base and the last transition color. I like to use the previous brush just like almost without touching the eye area. Now I'm going to apply the different colors. I'm going to start with the green and the same ABH brush, A14 ABH brush. And just apply that in the outer part of the eye. Then Pacific Rims. And if you see, I am going over the green and dragging the blue to the front area. And I am using a Sigma E15 right now. Now using a different E15 brush, I'm going to use the lilac color. And I am also going over the blue, returning to the blue, returning to the lilac or violet, light violet color. And now I'm going to apply the pink color, the sweet tooth color. And I am using a MAC 242S to apply this color. And I press that color there. Bringing that color over the purple. Then the blue over the purple too. And basically try to blend one color with the other. Now I'm going to add this winter rose to the back of my hand. And using a clean Sigma L06, I'm going to take a little bit on the brush and apply that in the transition from the eyelid area to the transition area. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of the green just to make that line that we just did more like seamless. It should like end in nothing. The blue. I'm going to finish my face and I'm coming back in a second. Now using a Sigma E20, I'm going to apply the same color. I'm going to start with the green and I'm going to apply this one really near to the base of my lashes. Clean the brush a little bit and I'm going to apply Pacific Dream, which is the blue. That's my second color. Clean a little bit the brush again and I'm going to apply the purple, light purple, lilac. And finally the pink one. And just with that last application, just drag all the colors so they can be blend one into the other. I like to go back, apply a little bit more, and a little bit lower, and just drag those colors. I'm just going to add some highlight, a little bit of highlights to the brow bone, just to add illumination. So this is all, guys. I hope that you like this one. I hope that you learned something, and if you like this one, don't forget to share this video with your friends. And if you are new, thank you for the visit. Thank you for being here. My name is Mary and this is My World in Shadows. I love to create content in terms of makeup, all kind of makeup, artistic, neutral, colorful, a little bit of social media, a little bit of everything. If you like all that, consider to subscribe, consider to smash that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload a video, which I try to do it every single day from 6 to 9 p.m. But things could happen and that's why you need to have that notification bell smashed. And this is all. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy life. See you in the next one. Bye.
That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.